Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and backing up important data. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Once done, enable installation from unknown sources or prepare ADB on your PC. Make sure developer options are available. Then download the Emoji APK or compatible font package that matches your Android build. You should verify file integrity and permissions before proceeding. These first steps set the foundation. They ensure compatibility and give you recovery options, which keeps the upgrades safe and reversible. You now perform the core installation. If you have root, copy the new emoji. TTF into /system/fonts and set ownership to system with 0644 permissions. If no root, use ADB sideload or an overlay app that injects fonts for your launcher. Follow its prompts precisely. Once the file is in place, clear the font cache and any launcher cache to avoid conflicts. If asked, confirm overwriting the old file. This replacement is what updates the glyph set used across apps and keyboards. You finish by rebooting the device and testing emojis in multiple apps, messaging, social, and keyboard preview to ensure consistent appearance. If characters are missing or apps crash, restore your backup or reinstall the original font immediately. Make sure file permissions and SE Linux contexts match the original system files. Incorrect settings are the most common cause of failures. If problems persist, revert and try a different package built for your exact Android build, because mismatched binaries often...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.